Honda PCX125. Review novice friendly, enjoyable riding experience. The Honda PCX125 has been a runaway success story that sold over 140,000 units across Europe since its arrival in 2010. Updated in 2014, 2016, and 2018, it's a proven CBT-friendly, bicycle-sized workhorse that combines decent practicality and superb fuel economy and presents a serious alternative to public transport for the inner-city dweller. In the early stages of the coronavirus pandemic, when commuters were itching to ditch trains and buses, the previous PCX became Britain's most popular motorcycle, outselling the BMW R1250GSA at a ratio of 2.37 to 1 in June 2020 alone. In both 2018 and 2019 it also took the accolade of best-selling scooter, with MCIA statistics showing 2840 and 2,333 UK registrations respectively. For this year though, there's a new one, claiming more power, fresh styling, revised chassis parts and Euro 5 compliance, all for £120 more than the old model. But is it worth swapping in the old one for it? Ride quality and brakes. Although the new PCX still feels very similar to sit on, beneath the bodywork lies a new tubular steel frame and aluminium swing arm. The rear wheel has also been descaled by an inch to 13 inches and both tires are now 10 mm wider. Wheelbase has increased by 2 mm, too. The result is a competent package that you can chuck about like an oversized bicycle. If you're looking for an easy life on two wheels, with an ability to take the absolute Michael out of traffic and pull U-turns in a single lane, then this is for you. Engine. To help the PCX125 meet Euro 5 emissions rules, Honda have given the 2021 machine a new single-cylinder engine, crammed with low-friction parts, plus piston oil jets derived straight from the CRF 450 or motocross racer, to help maintain consistent cooling. Smooth and unintimidating as before and still equipped with stop-start tech to save fuel, the new lump produces a traffic-beating 12.3 brake horsepower, capable of a speedo-indicated 71 miles per hour, distinguished from the old bike by a more prevalent exhaust. Honda say the new liquid-cooled SOHC unit is quicker from a standing start or roll-on. Riding around Peterborough city centre it's hard to disagree, excelling below 35 miles per hour and comfortably stripping lengths out of the surrounding car drivers from each set of traffic lights. Reliability and build quality. It's hard to comment on reliability of the new PCX, however it's built with typical Honda quality. It's put together nicely, it all works as it should, and even with another £500 on the asking price, it would still be a steal. Even the pillion pegs have been thought about and slot away seamlessly into the fairing when not in use. Our praise is supported by MCN owners' reviews of the outgoing 2018 to 2021 model, who score it an average of 5 stars for reliability. Add to this a 2-year warranty and strong dealer network and it's a very attractive proposition. Value versus rivals. The latest model may have climbed £120 in asking price, but it's a better bike than the old one. It handles bumps more efficiently, can take more luggage and has a little more bottom-end pep, without adding to the claimed 130 kg wet weight or ditty dimensions. If you fancy owning the PCX on PCP, it's yours for just £49 a month over 3 years with an initial deposit of £580 and 24 pence. That is seriously cheap and offers a tempting urban transport solution for less a month than many people's weekly food shop.